what if you lose? Sabi ko, it happens to all of us. And then sinabi niya na, nobody goes into a battle thinking they're going to lose. And binayaan nga siya ng napakalaking tiwala. Ako naman po, nabiyayaan niyo ako ng, for any television personality, you gave me the greatest gift. You gave me your time. You gave me your trust. You let me be myself and accepted me for me. Sa management ng ABS-CBN, it will be 14 years. Thank you for letting me grow. Thank you for believing in me. Totoo, kanina naririnig ko si Roxy, si Louie, si Nancy saying na in dressing room 3, Studio 5, pag Sunday, naging buhay na natin yon. Thank you for keeping my confidences. And sabi niya, ate, huwag kang iiyak kasi kung ano-ano na naman nasasabihin ng mga tao. Pero pagbigyan niyo na po ako kasi mahirap naman talagang magpaalam. But it's been a really wonderful 10 years. And I'm really proud na in those 10 years, from AP, naging EP, naging PM, ngayon naging business unit head si Louie. I'm really proud na along with me on this journey, lahat ng mga nakatrabaho ko, umangat din naman ang mga buhay ninyo. Siguro, yun nga, naging mabuti naman tayo sa isa't isa. Thank you, Tita Cory. Thank you, Dea, for being with me on this day. But most of all, thank you, boy. Kasi, binigay mo na sa akin ang lahat. Yung buong pagkatao mo, yung buong tiwala mo, all the love I could ever need. Thank you for always being ready to defend me and understand me. You became why I became Chris during this journey. And the partnership we had, siguro wala namang makaka-question. We had one of the best marriages on TV. I will miss this, and I will miss you. And the road ahead for you is so great. So, gusto ko lang pong sabihin sa inyong lahat na yan, hindi na ako umiiyak.
Ako naman yung umiiyak.
I'm gonna go happy. Kasi ang konti-konti nang nandito sa industriya namin na nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na magpaalam na their show is still on top and they're still considered a prized possession of the network. It's a rare blessing. It was always what Mom prayed for me. Sabi ng Mom na, Christina, sana hindi umabot sa point na malaos ka at sana nakapag-ipon ka na ng enough para kung ano man ang mangyayari, okay kayo. So, Mom, everything happened siguro as part of God's will, and I accept that. And I know, Mom, na this whole day, you were here. And you know na, kasi pag sad ako, ikaw yung pinakaunang may alam. So, alam ko rin na bibigyan mo ako ng lakas. To everybody here, who knows, 6 years from now with science, baka maganda pa naman ako. At hindi pa ako kulubot, baka pwede pang bumalik sa The Buzz. Or baka naman 6 years from now, ako na yung nagsaswearing in. Thank you very very much. Joke lang po yun. Lahat ng mga ano dyan, baka magalit na naman kayo sa akin. Thank you very, very much po sa inyong lahat. Thank you to the studio audience, sa kanila, our fans who are always here. Direk Onat, si I love you too, si Jay. And lilingon po ako. Gusto ko sabihin lang sa inyong lahat na whatever the future holds, whether you'll see me again after kung tayo magkakalayo, tanggap ko yun. With really, hindi naman mahirap tanggapin kung alam mo na maganda naman yung dahilan at hindi dahil pinaalis ka. So, thank you very, very much to all of you. I just want to say also na Nancy, kasi hanggang operating room umabot ka sa pagbabantay mo sa akin. Huwag mo na i-torture ang ibang mga artista that way. Thank you to all of you, Romer and Ian, and everybody else, Darla, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng show na to. Jobbert na ngayon, love, love, love na tayo. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa buong Pilipinas at sa lahat ng nanonood ng The Buzz, this was in life's journey, this was one of the most fulfilling and the most educational stopovers I made. And in the journey of life, I will always be grateful that for 10 years, you allowed me to be a part of your Sundays. Thank you very much.
Love you too, Chrissy.
And hindi naman tayo nagbe-break. Tayo hindi naghihiwalay. So, maraming salamat po. And, Case, I was your age when I started. So, look forward. Look forward to so many good things because you are so blessed to be with the best. You're learning from the best, you're working with the best. It will only make you the best. Kaya maraming salamat. ABS-CBN, uulitin ko po, I thank you for the wonderful opportunity for letting me become Kris Aquino. And I thank you all po, the entire Philippines, kasi you let me be me. You let me become more than Ninoy and Cory's daughter. Now, I'm Noy Noy's sister. But at least you always allowed me to be Kris. To Ate, to Pinky, and to Viel. Umiyak ako, pero at least, diba, mature na talaga. Thank you to my family because Pinky said it best. Sabi niya na, win or lose, kung ano man ang mangyari, at the end of the day, iba tuman tayo ng kahit ano, tayong magkakapatid, tayo pa rin naman ang nandyan para sa isa't isa. And siguro yun ang totoong ibig sabihin ng pagiging magkapamilya, na when you're up, when you're down, when you're moving forward and you're looking backward, you know that the people around you loved you and accepted you for who you are. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and favor na lang, alam niyo naman na mahirap yung pinagdadaanan ng buhay na personal ko. Huwag niyo akong gawing story for the next season. Yun lang naman. Moratorium lang tayo ng 13 weeks. Okay. Love you, boy. Thank you very much, Pam. Jobber to everybody. Make the most of your Sundays. And I'll continue, of course, to be tuning in.
Maraming salamat, Chris.
Promise mo yun, na hindi mo kayo sa story. Wala kang tell all about me. Okay, thank you.
Maraming salamat, mga kaibigan.
On behalf of those who appreciate your work, Tita, sabi mo nga that a lot of people judge you, or us, tayong lahat, that try to provide entertainment, who live our lives in front of the camera, at sinishare sa buong Pilipinas, at sa lahat ng Pilipino all over the world. It's not easy to open up the way binuksan mo yung buhay mo, yung sarili mo para sa aming lahat. Hindi lahat ma-appreciate yon, hindi lahat will be pleased with it, but for those who do appreciate, on behalf of everyone else, thank you for opening up your life to us.
Maraming salamat.
May flowers tayo.
Yes.
Album ko yan. Thank you for the flowers.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Mga kaibigan, huwag po kayong aalis.
Thank you.
Fem, join us here.
Oo.
Magbabalik pa po ang kabaz. Yes.
Bye, everybody. I'll miss you.
We're still coming back.